Okay, moving right along. If you click over here on the syllabus, you will notice that the syllabus will come up as a Word document right there in your computer window. And here you will have all the information about the course in one place. Now, this is a place for you to really keep on a bookmark just because it'll help you understand the ins and outs of the course, the rules of the game as they were. If you notice, once again, I do have advice hours in person at FNAC 214. That's my office. Thursday, 12:15 to 1:15, because I do have a hybrid class on campus that day. I also do have Success Center hours, hopefully on Tuesday, but that still needs to be confirmed. Now, looking through all of this, it's going to be important for you to read through the syllabus because, again, it's going to help let you know what the class is about, what the rules are for it. Academic integrity is very important for you to look at because it basically does lay out very, very simply what the college's stance is on using somebody else's information. So copying a paper, paying for a paper, using a bot or an AI to write a paper for you, that's all considered plagiarism. So in short, just say no. If you find yourself behind, talk to me about it. Most people plagiarize because they're desperate, not because they're evil. Let me know. We'll work out a plan for you to get your work in. That's much better than you getting a 0 and getting a referral to the chair of academic discipline. If you look at the required text here, you will notice we have the Norton Anthology of American Literature, 9th edition, package 2. I've got the ISBN right here. You can get it from our campus store. You should be able to also get it from Amazon. You should be able to get it as also an ebook through Amazon. Some people said they found PDFs of it. I don't know anything about that. College level dictionary, a notebook, highlighting if you're using a physical book, or post-its, all very, very important information. As far as course policies go, if you're going to drop this class or any class, please, please, please talk to your instructor first. We're here to help you succeed. And maybe you feel like things are just too much at the present moment. Talk to us. We would love to work out a plan with you to make sure that you get what you need. Did I put plagiarism policy twice? Ooh, I did it on this one too. Okay. So that's one thing I'll have to change. That's why you shouldn't print this out. Here are the assignments and requirements. There's going to be reading. Please have it done before the actual meetings or assignment due dates, which are going to be Wednesday and Saturday for this class. Discussion posts are weekly about the reading. Replies to the discussion posts as well. You've got 2 essays, and I'm giving you credit for thesis statements and rough drafts as well. This is really important because we all know this. If you just write a paper from beginning to end in one night, it's not going to be a great paper. My job is to help you get better at the process. And part of getting better at the process is planning out that process. The hardest thing to get out is that first rough draft. And the sooner you get that off and get that done, the faster you are on the road to success. So I would love to talk to you about your rough drafts or your thesis statements or anything along the way. So don't be a stranger. Your essays are worth 20% of the grade. You're going to have 2 quizzes, 10% each, and the final exam, which is 30%. Final exams will be identification and commentary, as will the quizzes. If you've got makeup work, some things are time sensitive, so it's important for you to understand that. Some information about the essays. They should be in MLA format. You're going to be turning them in to Turnitin. Please notice I also require them to be looked at by a tutor. either one of our Chaffey tutors or somebody at Smart Thinking, an English pal if we have one in the class. I haven't heard yet from that. Just because writing gets better the more sunlight it sees. The more people that are looking at it and talking with you about it, the better it gets. And I know that's an uncomfortable space to be in sometimes, but it's really, really important. Here's the breakdown of the points. Here's your typical kind of American grade point, grade percentage breakdown. No real surprises there. Here are my grading standards for the papers. And here are a lot of resources here that we have at Chaffey. So please do avail yourself of these. Your student fees help to pay for these. And again, they're all here to help you with your success. Health services too, especially if you're feeling stressed out or anxious or depressed. There's nothing shameful about that. It happens to practically everybody who's in college. Bookstore, CalWorks, etc. The Career Center, counseling, etc. We also have community advising. If you're an English major, I am an advisor. I've been doing it for almost a decade, and I can help you with what classes you need to take next, when you want to transfer, who you want to transfer with, to rather. Where did I put that information? Oh, I think it's way up here. Anyway, I'll find it later. And basically, if you're interested in going to graduate school for English, or if you're interested in being a teacher and teaching English, I have a lot of experience helping people connect with the right institution and move forward. And there it is, academic community and advising. Boom. Also, moving right along there, lots of stuff. And community advisors on there twice, and I'll get rid of that. And if you look right down here, you will see our weekly schedule. Whatever is in that box is due that day. In general, my due times rather, are going to be 11:59 p.m. on that day. So in other words, your introduction of myself is going to be due Wednesday the 11th at 11:59. Saturday, you should have started reading Walt Whitman. You should have that done. And you should also post 2 different replies. And you will also see a little theme at the top. You will also see important dates, such as when is the deadline to drop, also when our quizzes are. Hopefully it's straightforward and fairly easy to understand. But again, questions large or small. I will want anything in this class to be a mystery. Please, please, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. My goal for this class, as is for all my classes, is a 100% pass rate. But I can't do that by myself. That really counts on you communicating with me and telling me what your questions are, what isn't clear. I want my classes to be better and better every single time I teach them. So I need your help, and I need your help in order to help you succeed. And those are really my large goals for the course. That ends my introduction to the course. If you have any questions, remember you can email me on Canvas. You can also email me at chaffey.edu. And if you haven't signed up for Remind yet, please do so now. Can't wait to read what you got for me. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.